Namaste, teachers. I hope the last session very useful. And if you have any doubts and please come through Janaka sir. So I will clarify all your doubts. And this session, already Janaka sir posted the syllabus as our country. That is the theme for this week, right? So I have taken my knowledge to design the every entire week how we are going to teach, what are the outcome of this lesson plan, and what how we will deliver this content to the little minds. So these are the things we are going to see and discuss and gain knowledge. Okay, shall we start the session? Yes. Yeah. Thank you. This is the session 2 from the International Project for Capacity Development of ECCD Teachers in South Asian countries. I thank Janaka sir, Vatsala ma'am and the team for giving this opportunity to deliver this content and lesson to you all. So the subject is pedagogical approaches for ECCD week plans, day plans and lesson plan. So today is the lecture 2 in part 3. So title of the session is Our Country. So just want to quickly introduce myself. I am Natya Jain. I am a headmistress of yearly Agirchand Manmul Jain Balvatika, which is located in Meenambakam, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. And I am an educational early childhood educationist, content and curriculum development person and resource person. And also now I am excellence in STEM education also. Thank you. So this is the theme which sir has shared to you. I hope you all get this content from Janaka sir. So the theme of the February month, that is my country. So it's a STEM based curriculum for early childhood care development. So what are the activities sir has shown? This is for Monday. So on Monday, we have taken the theme My Country as Sri Lanka. So Monday, we are going to introduce about Sri Lankan national flag. So you have to bring any one national flag of Sri Lanka to the classroom. That is the property. So introducing the national flag in the communication, whichever is appropriate for your school, class and children. And identify the nature and beauty of our country. You can ask the children about where are the places they have seen too good in Sri Lanka, what are the reasons behind it, and are they going to visit again? If it is so, why? So you have to ask the questions to children based on their likes. Decorate the Sri Lankan map nation as teamwork. So first you ask them to find the Sri Lanka in the world map. So you bring one world map to the classroom and first you teach them where is Sri Lanka located and let them find the Sri Lanka and color it. So count the sort of flags. For the numeracy, they have given to count the number of flags. Practice the parade of nation. If you have any national skit, song or any rhyme, let them recite it. Let them parade as the country warriors. Or if you have army men, navy, and the pilot, everybody in the army section, how they are going to parade on the national festivals. So you can show it to them. So Tuesday, how we celebrate Independence Day? Because on Monday, you end with the parade. So Tuesday, you started with the national celebrations. So you showcase the beauty of the parade with parents. So that inhibits the self-expression of the children. The next is perform the cultural dance. You do the dancing, let the children watch. Then you teach the dance to the children and all of you can dance in the class. So it brings somehow from the kid the fear, and out of the box they'll think, and they will also be happy to be a part of this cultural dance and music. So what's the natural disasters of the world? If you come to community, nature and the country, you have to explain what are the things already Sri Lanka faced. If it is a natural disaster or is anything man-made disasters, something, if it is so, you can just recall the history of the nation. So it brings the community awareness and eco-friendly practices, and also provide the milk packs by parents. You have to make one cookery class to the children with the content whichever brought from the children. You can instruct them what to bring and discuss about the traditional food. So what is the traditional food of Sri Lanka? You first introduced it, let them think and come the next day. So it may increase the logical thinking of the children. So for the Wednesday, you end the Tuesday with the feeling of the National Day. So it begins with the Wednesday with the traditional clothes, whatever you are following in Sri Lanka. So you have to arrange one fashion show, like children has to wear the Sri Lankan traditional wear and come to school. So without being teaching what is the national dresses of Sri Lanka, let them decorate it and come up. It may increase the curiosity among the children. So already they learned the lesson what is the dresses they wear when they occasionally for traditional celebrations of Sri Lanka. So you can observe the festival dresses and analyze the difference of the traditional clothes and match the tradition with the religious places. So you can discuss about ancient clothes of Sri Lanka. So it inhibits self-regulation, measurements of numeracy, pre-writing skills in literacy, fine motor, grass motor, and natural hunt, and also skit and drama. The Thursday begins with heroes who helped Sri Lanka. That is the topic. So you can make to feel the positive mind by storytelling. So if you have any stories of traditional, so you can give them the story in a beautiful way. Okay, so that they can, I will also browsing it. So yeah, I will share it. I will share it with you, or we will see directly. You tell the story in a playful, or you can use the hand puppets, skit, or any theatrical show you can man-made. Okay. So it will help them to recall that hero and why he sacrificed. So what is the value of the freedom now he is in. Okay. And the activities make the crown and badge, and I have to share the ideas of how I brave in my life. So what it all covered: pro-social behavior, health and physical well-being, drawing, painting and molding, and language comprehension. So what are the heroes? They have to count. If you introduce about any 5 heroes, they have to count and tell how many. And prevent the pollution. So it's a man-made pollution. So you have to, in this you can also involve the sustainability, SDG goals, and also how we avoid plastics, why we avoid plastic bags. So you can tell that. The Friday is unity of nation. So you have to teach about the unity in diversity. Even though we all have many religions, we are out of many mother tongues, we all united in one breath, that is nation, country. So you have to express the value of the unity in the nation. So you can practice the kid to wear the traditional dresses based on the religions, and you can do any cultural performance, and you finish the class with little story about the nation. So what are the things it may impact? Positive self-concept, gross motor skill, counting and number concept, pre-reading skill, and inquiring mind, drama and role play. So these are the things you will get from Janaka sir. So we are going to see how we are going to deliver all those things. Just speak with the Gopinath HR. I'm in class, we'll connect later. What is the learning outcome of this session? So the students will be able to identify Sri Lanka on map. That is one success. And students will learn basic facts about Sri Lanka, such as its shape and location. And also students will be introduced to the different cultures and people of Sri Lanka. So students will learn about Sri Lanka national symbols and landmark. What is that landmark, and in which thing you are very famous for? Students will develop an appreciation of the country's natural beauty and wildlife. These are the learning outcome of the children after you finish the our country theme based lesson. Okay, what are the materials you needed for it for the entire sessions? Classes, world map and globe, pictures and posters of Sri Lanka, one Sri Lankan flag, and also some art supplies, crayon, paint, paper, etc. Some books about Sri Lanka as a teacher reference. Materials for activities, blocks, sand and seeds. So, day 1, that is introduction to our country, Sri Lanka. First, you can start the thing with circle time. So you sit at the middle of the circle. You ask the children to sit in circle. So you can begin the class by asking children what they know about Sri Lanka, and show Sri Lanka on a world map and globe, emphasizing its island location near India. So explain that Sri Lanka used to be called Ceylon once upon a time, and mention that Sri Lanka is known as the pearl of the Indian Ocean due to its natural beauty. See, there are some websites I have posted here. You can save it. So this is something from one traveling company, Fun Facts of Sri Lanka. You can see there is some points. You can use it for your class. Sri Lanka used to be called Ceylon. The flag of Sri Lanka is one of the oldest in the world. See, and Sri Lanka is known as the teardrop of India because its shape and position below India is look like teardrop. The elephant is the national symbol of the country, and every year they hold an elephant pageant. If someone shakes their head in Sri Lanka, see, it's a fun part. It actually means yes, not no. Okay. I can see that in Janaka sir, he usually nods the head like this. He always says yes. So Sri Lanka is home to 20,000 elephants, and curry is usually eaten for breakfast. If you say Elakiri, I think Sinhala people can pronounce it. I don't know about it. Alakiri. To a local, it means awesome, but it also translates literally to cow's milk. So Sri Lanka is also known as the nation of smiling people. That I knew it. I saw that everyone who were attended at Chennai conference, all are having that smiling faces from morning to evening. I don't know how they can manage that smile. The temple of the tooth in Kandy is home to sacred tooth of the Buddha. So these are all the things you can mark it. So Sri Lanka's national animal is the elephant. Sinhala and Tamil are Sri Lanka's official languages. Ceylon cinnamon is world-renowned famous and Sri Lanka's most famous spice. Tea export is one of the Sri Lanka main industry. So also they have given some holiday ideas. You just show it and ask them what are the spots they have visited. Okay. You can see the thing. Paddy fields and Vilpattu National Park. So there are 17 tour ideas this website given for Sri Lanka. You can take in all these 17 spots and you can use it in your classroom. Okay. Okay. Going to class. Yes. This is about the flag. So it's a pear-shaped island and Jayavardhanapura Kotte. Two capitals. You can tell the children there are capital name and plants and animals, people, economy, history, and about independence. There is a notes for teachers. You can browse it and take a notes. So what is the activity? You can create a large outline of Sri Lanka on paper. So have children paint or color it using blue for ocean and green for land. So that the color concepts will come. The fine motor grip is also enhancing. So the children has to know what is Sri Lanka, how it look like. Okay, day 1 finished. We can move on to day 2. This is culture and people. So again, you can form first circle time and also the main ethnic group of Sri Lanka, that is Sinhalese, Tamils and Muslims, and show pictures of people from different ethnic group and discuss their clothing and tradition and also food. So explain the Sinhala and the Tamil or the official languages. So you can get, the teachers can get resource from this Kiddle. These are some Sri Lankan facts for kids. So this is for kid. So you can also take notes from this website. So how many provinces you have? 9, and what are they? Map. And what are the flora and fauna? What is flora and fauna? I have already taught you flora and fauna. Leave in comment. What is flora and what is fauna? If you can't find it, browse it, find it, then send to me in comment section. About government and economy, languages and religion, national symbols of Sri Lanka, animal, bird, tree and flower. So you can take anyone as an activity. Culture, food and festival, literature and performing arts, sport, best sport. So these are some of the things the teacher can take a note. So what is the activity? Make paper doll representing people from different ethnic group. Dress the doll in traditional clothing, used colored paper and fabric scrap. So you can ask the children to make a doll using the paper, any newspaper or rough paper, and decorate it with the whatever the clothes or any colorings they have to decorate it. So in the mind, they are decorating those people. That is the success for teacher. Maybe it won't look like the kind of ethnic group, but in the mind, the student has fixed with some ethnic group, Tamil or Muslim or Sinhalese. So like so for that they are doing some decorate specifically to differentiate it as Tamil, differentiate it as Muslim. So that is the learning they have learned from your class. And day 3, national symbols. So again the circle time, show the Sri Lankan flag and explain its symbolism. What is symbolism? The teachers has to know what is symbolism. In that you can get to know the map And the color, why you are having that color, why the logo is having that animal. So for the teacher has to sit and learn first, then you can explain it to the kid as like a story. So discuss the elephant as the national symbol. Why you take an elephant as a national symbol? There is a reason behind it. You have to tell. Introduce other national symbols like national flower and national bird. What is the activity? You can create a Sri Lankan flag using paint or crayon and making elephant mask or puppet using paper plate and craft sticks. So therefore landmark and attractions. Show pictures of famous landmark like Temple of the Tooth in Kandy. And discuss Sri Lanka's 8 UNESCO World Heritage Site. Do you know what are those World Heritage Sites? The 5 sites in Sri Lanka. The teachers, can you leave in a comment? The country is home to 8 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including ancient city of Sigiriya, sacred city of Kandy, and the old town of Galle. Do you know what are those? You have to explore it about this. Then talk about attractions like beaches, tea plantations, and wildlife. So what is the activity you can do? Build a model of famous landmark using block or recycled materials. Then create a collage of Sri Lankan attractions using pictures from magazines and newspaper. As like the animal kingdom, how you decorate the entire campus with the animals, you take any one empty classroom or the hallway, you can put all the things about Sri Lanka. Food, flag, clothes, and traditions and marriages, what you're following, what are you famous for, about the food, how can you, is there any famous thing about Sri Lanka, and what are the important famous things, that is UNESCO World Heritage Sites and Tooth and Kandi, like that the important marks which is looking from worldwide through Sri Lanka. So why the world is attracted tourism in Sri Lanka? So like that you have to post each and everything in the hallway. So after you finish the lesson or before you starting the lesson, you can take the children to that walk and had a visit of what are the things. All the school can contribute something to make that happen, the exhibition. Okay, you can make the exhibition. The day 5 is wild and nature. So again with the circle time, you can discuss Sri Lanka's diverse wildlife, including elephant, leopard, and monkey. Take your children for a field trip to any nearest zoo. Or if you can get any chance, if there is any national festival, please any one teacher take in charge and take some students, whichever you can manage, take to that national festival and let them see what is happening officially, because they can see the teaching and connected the teaching to the real world experience. That gives the teaching into fulfill. It's completed. Okay. So show pictures of the islands, lush forest, mountain, and tea plantation. Explain that Sri Lanka is biodiversity hotspot with many unique species. So you have to know what is special in the country where we are living. Then you can tell the same and deliver the thing to the children. About the currency, you can bring some currency of Sri Lanka and let them touch and feel and name of the currency. And national anthem, you have to ask them to recite the national anthem. And who is the prime minister, show the name and also the photo. So it's entirely about the geography. Okay, how the Sri Lanka is looking like, and full of blue is water. Where is the capital? And also ask them, you just give the Sri Lanka, draw it in a paper and give it to them. Just to mark it where I am. In the out of Sri Lanka, where I am. Like you. If you are a teacher from Kandy, you have to put a dot and you have to give the hyphen. This is the here I am. If I'm asking where I am, where you are, and you can just put a mark and mark it as here I am. Because then the child can get to know, okay, Kandy is here. I am living in Kandy, so my spot is this. So every children can get to know where they were living. So show the pictures, take them to any temple, any public places, let them feel it through classroom environment along with the friends. Okay. So create a diorama of a Sri Lankan forest or wildlife park using shoebox, sand and toy animals. With the shoebox, you can design it. Plant seeds in small pots to represent Sri Lanka's rich vegetation. You can encourage them to do the seeding and the planting activity as it symbolizes the Sri Lanka's rich vegetation. So after you finished everything, you can begin the assessment. Every day you can do one little assessment. During the class time, you can ask in between. And also at the end of the class, you can ask little questions where the children were. You have delivered the class, you have delivered the subjects and content. You have to make sure where the children is lying in that particular class. So that if she knew that or she couldn't understand the topic, you have to analyze yourself where you are missing, why the children can't understand. So the assessment is mainly useful for teachers, how they are delivered, how the content is being observed by the kid. If they couldn't observe, so we have to change the methodology of teaching. Okay. So observe children participation in discussion and activities. If there is an examination, you have to take a marks from the class itself. So you have to start to register as like an attendance as an internal marks. So if it is today, this is about the animals. If you have to ask any question, if the child at least try to tell the answer, you can give some mark, 1 mark. So all the marks can be clubbed and use it in the end of the session. Okay. Then review their artwork and models for understanding of key concept. I know your children were very talented and they all can do some artwork. Kindly collect all the artwork, the samplings, any craft work, any mask, or any leaf nature things they have created. Put a day like a project day in your school and gather all the activities of your classes and decorate it. Decorate the entire class with all the things. And you invite the parents to come for project day and they will see their son or daughter's name in behind that artwork. They'll be proud of their children. So please do one project day. Invite the parents to see the work of the children. At the end of the year, you can do the project. Before the end of the year, you can do the project. Invite the parents. Or monthly, you can do. Then ask simple questions about Sri Lanka to access their knowledge. You can ask just what is the name of the country, who is the prime minister, what is the favorite spot in Sri Lanka for you, and which spot do you want to go with your family to see that place. So you can ask the open-ended questions. So what is the differentiation? You can provide visual aids and hands-on materials for visual and kinesthetic learners. Visual is something about the children has to see. If you tell zoo, they can imagine as a zoo. But if you take on the children to the zoo, that is visually they can see the zoo and zoo animals. Okay. Offer simpler tasks for children who need extra support. If the child is struggling to give the feedback of your class, the child is struggling to tell the name of the country, so they need extra attention. You have to plan the special lesson plan for it. and encourage advanced learners to research and share additional facts about Sri Lanka. So there is an peer learning group in every class. So for them, you let them give the questions as research based. Let them go home, research and gather some additional facts and come back to classes. So at last, there are some tips and perks for you. Adapts activity and content to suit the specific needs and interest of your students. I'm delivering all the content. I'm delivering all the possibilities. How can you deliver the content for the theme our country? But you can take, because you only knew about your class children. So you can take whatever and whichever is applicable to your children, you take the content. Don't force them with all the contents. Let the children enjoy and learn in fun way. Incorporate music, dance and storytelling to make the lessons more engaging. Anything, whatever the theme, that lesson plan should include it with one music, one dance and one storytelling, beautiful storytelling. Okay. And invite a guest speaker from Sri Lanka to share their experiences and culture. If there is any local bodies nearby the school, you can invite them for them, because this time if you are doing any cultural related classes means you can invite any musician to come and perform the music in the assembly hall for that week lesson plan. So if it is the theme is animals, you can invite any zookeeper or any officers who are working along with the animals. You can invite them in assembly as a chief guest. So let them share their experiences with the animals. Like that, if it is you are going to represent by our country, you can invite any government officials you were in that circle layer of that Sri Lankan government who will know about, or any travel agents, travel ministers or travel persons, or any tourist handled persons who are from Sri Lanka. You can invite them and share their experiences to the children. So every month, every theme, you have to arrange one gathering with the KG children with one chief guest. So for that chief guest, you need to give one sapling that is also made by art and craft by your children. Make sure it. Okay. So this is my teacher training workshop. I think Janaka sir will share with you all. Yeah, but this is paid, not free. If you are willing, you can join. There is no compulsory in it. Okay. You can browse all the links, whichever this is embedded in the my presentation. So you can share it. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, or if you need help in this topic, you can ping me at any time, message me, or you can send through Janaka sir. He will let me know, so I can clear the doubts in any live session. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the patience. Thank you for watching this entire session for me. Thank you so much.